Top 10 bedroom design mistakes and tips for home additions. When planning a new bedroom addition, homeowners often focus on style, but forget the real details that make a bedroom functional, comfortable, and code compliant. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 bedroom design mistakes homeowners make and professional tips to help you get it right from the start. Number 1. Incorrect bedroom size and layout. One of the most common mistakes is building a bedroom that's just too small. Yes, a 10 by 10 room might technically fit a queen bed, but once you add nightstands and a dresser, there's barely room to move. Professionally, a comfortable bedroom should be at least 11 by 12 feet, or around 130 square feet. Also, remember, building codes require a minimum of 70 square feet and 7-foot ceiling height. But that's just the legal minimum, not the comfort standard. Tip: always plan furniture layout first before finalizing your room's dimensions. Number 2. Poor natural lighting. Without enough windows or proper placement, bedrooms can feel dull and closed off. Good natural light enhances mood, makes spaces appear larger, and reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. Tip: position windows to capture soft morning light. Use mirrors or light-colored walls to reflect brightness around the room. Number 3. Ignoring ventilation and airflow. Poor ventilation leads to stuffy air and humidity buildup, especially if the bedroom connects to a bathroom. Fresh airflow helps regulate temperature and ensures a healthier sleeping environment. Tip: include windows that open easily or install a ceiling fan for better circulation. Avoid placing vents directly above the bed. Number 4. Inadequate storage solutions. Many homeowners underestimate how much storage a bedroom needs. Without proper closets, shelving, or built-in storage, the room can quickly become cluttered and disorganized. Tip: maximize vertical space with wall-mounted shelves or storage headboards. Consider a built-in closet with sliding doors to save floor space. Number 5. Overcrowding the space with furniture. Too many furniture pieces can make even a large bedroom feel cramped. A bed, dresser, and 1 or 2 nightstands are usually enough for most bedrooms. Tip: choose multifunctional pieces like storage benches or nightstands with drawers. Keep walking paths clear and open. Number 6. Poor electrical planning. It's easy to forget about outlets and lighting switches until it's too late. Bedrooms often need multiple outlets for lamps, chargers, and other devices, not just one per wall. Tip: plan electrical outlets near nightstands, desks, and TV areas. Include dimmer switches for adjustable lighting. Number 7. Ignoring soundproofing. Noise can seriously affect rest quality. Thin walls or uninsulated floors can let sound travel from other rooms or outside. Tip: use thicker insulation, solid core doors, and rugs to reduce noise. Consider adding acoustic panels for extra sound control. Number 8. Choosing the wrong color scheme. Colors play a huge role in mood and relaxation. Bright, bold colors may look fun, but can be overstimulating for a space meant for rest. Tip: stick to soft, calming tones like beige, gray, light blue, or sage green. Add accent colors through decor or bedding instead of wall paint. Number 9. Insufficient artificial lighting. Relying on a single ceiling light can make the room feel harsh and flat. A well-designed bedroom should have layered lighting, ambient, task, and accent. Tip: combine a ceiling light with bedside lamps and wall sconces. Use warm light bulbs for a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. Number 10. Forgetting personal touches. A bedroom should reflect your personality, not look like a hotel room. Many homeowners focus too much on trends and forget to add elements that make the space uniquely theirs. Tip: include personal items like photos, art, or meaningful decor pieces. A touch of personality transforms a bedroom from ordinary to inviting. And that's our top 10 bedroom design mistakes and tips. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to DC Home Addition and Remodeling for more smart home ideas. See you in the next video.